Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and a user on one of my videos said, hey, how do you make a scalene triangle in Logo? So my friends, let's get cracking. Step one, of course, is to double check what exactly a scalene triangle is. It is pretty simple. It just has three unequal sides, like you can see in any of these pictures. So before I design it, let me show you what triangles are made of. Hopefully you understand that there's 180 degrees inside every triangle. I'm choosing this one right here, and I like this because I know this is more than 90. So since I know it's more than 90, and I know that this is a straight line, and it's a total of 180, if I pick a number inside here, like say I'm going to do 120, so I'm going to cross that out, that means there's 60 left out here. So if I've got 120 degrees in this angle, that means I've got 60 left for these two. I'm going to guess that this one is larger than that one just because of looking at it. So I'm going to put 25 degrees out here. I'm going to put 35 degrees down here. And then the tricky thing, or the cool thing, is because that's a straight line, I know that when I get up here, the turtle needs to turn to his right, and he needs to do 180 degrees minus 25, which is 155. And then when the turtle gets down to this corner, once again, he's going to turn to his right. And if there's 35 degrees inside the triangle, that means he has to go right 145. So now that I know my angles for the one that I've chosen to design, then I can start building it in FMS Logo. Let's start by choosing File, Edit, and making a new word. And I'm going to call this S-Try because I usually have a word called try, which is my first triangle. Your turtle should be at 0 as a heading, so to go to 120, that's left 30. So there's my LT 30, and then I'm going to tell it forward 100. I'm just picking a number for now. And then up the top, remember, it's right 155. And this time I'm going to do forward 140 because I think it's longer. And then finally I'm going to do the right, and it'll be 145. And I'm going to guess forward 70. So when I test this, I'm going to keep the 100. I'm going to change everything else till I've got it perfect. If I type S, I'm going to do CSS try because that makes life easier in a minute. I'm going to type CSS try. Holy mackerel. That was pretty close for my first try. Here you can see it went up the 100. It did the long side, and then it came back and it almost was perfect. So I'm going to just hit et al, and I'm going to change that to 145 and give it another try. I'm going to do HT to hide the turtle, and I'm still not quite far enough out on this line. I'm going to give you another cool trick. If you do edit quotes and then type the word you want, so I put S-try with only one quotation, it lets me get back in immediately. I'm going to add 2, file, save, and exit. And then here's another cool thing. You can double click on your old commands. This is getting closer to the right length, but it also, the other piece was too short. So now I'm going to do 149 and 74. File, save, and exit. And CSS try. Still a little nib. If you really want to be perfect, you can zoom in, and that helps you see that I'm off by a little bit. I'm going to do 51. I'm going to just keep the 74. Changing one at a time is a pretty good idea. You can see that is pretty close. I'm going to just try 150. Save and exit. Nope, 151 was better. Double click and change. And boom. There, my friends, is a way to make one scalene triangle. One of my favorite things to do, though, is make these adjustable. So let me show you how to do that. I'm copying that, I'm pasting it, and then after it, I'm going to put AS try, because this will be adjustable scalene triangle. And I'm going to put the variables for the sides, :A, :B, and :C. And then all I'm doing is replacing these spots with :A, :B, and :C. Now we know if we use 100, 151, and 74 it'll work, but we don't know what to do, and I'm going to put an A in front of that. With 150, I'm going to guess 200, and I'm going to guess 90. 99. So you can see it's still got the same shape, but I missed this side by quite a bit. Let's try 230 and 110. That's actually pretty close. But this is what's fun, is you can make it adjustable. You could even make it adjustable for the angles so that it calculated pretty much any scalene triangle as well. Alrighty friends, so there you have it. There is one way to make a scalene triangle in FMS Logo. Friends, don't forget to save it. Remember, this does not save to the cloud. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.